Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to send crypto from Binance to Binance. This is going to be internal and blockchain transfer. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details. Like and subscribe. If you're new to Binance, all you have to do is scroll down until you see the first link in the description or until you see the first link in the comment section below, where it will refer you to make an account with up to 100 euros bonus as our special offer. Now, all you have to do is open your Binance account, and then from here you're going to go to the assets section on the bottom right. Just make sure that you are in the exchange wallet. Now from here, once you go to the assets, you're going to select whatever cryptocurrency you might want, or simply click on the general send button right here. Then from here is going to give you several withdrawal methods, including send to Binance users. Click on it, and then from here it's going to tell you that you can send it either through email or phone number, or you can simply click on their Binance ID. Once you have their Binance ID, you can enter it right here, and then click on continue. Once you click continue, you can choose whatever amount, and you can send it directly, and that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.